Alright, so today we're just going to work on, I'm going to show you how to do one of these little sand mold casting things. Very simple. We're going to empty both these out. So we'll start with your 2 empty flask. Get your gloves on. Alright. I won't be doing it, I'm just instructing. I'm teaching my wife how to do this today. We'll see how this shows out. Alright, show them the coin you picked.
Oh, whoops.
Which one do you want to do?
I think this one.
Alright, so that's the coin we're going to do, whichever one she showed you. Alright. Just leave it like that. Alright, fill that up with sand. Put your coin to the side. Fill it up with sand.
Okay. Any sand? What about this kind that's got
Just fill this container up and pack it down with sand.
Doesn't matter if there's burnt?
Just fill this container up and pack it down with sand.
Okay. Okay.
You can put that coin down right now if you want. There you go.
Like
You're gonna
really
fill it all.
tight?
You're gonna fill it all the way level, yeah. So just fill it all the way up.
I'm getting there. What about this little?
Nope, not that part.
Not that part. Not that part. Don't do that part.
That's fine.
This
I mean,
one.
it can spill over a little,
Oh.
yeah. That's where your cup goes.
Your cup runneth over. How level does it need
You
to
fill
be?
it up with sand all the way.
Oh, it's still not filled up?
Nope.
Oh.
It's gotta be level with the edges.
Level with the edges. Okie dokie. Okay, I guess that's.
If you got it about done.
I have no idea. Like, do I need like to? I don't know. This is fun. It's very. I don't know, like that sand dough.
Is that level?
Yeah,
Filled?
it's filled. I don't know about level.
Alright. We want to make sure it's filled all the way to the top.
Oh man, I did. I used my finger to scrape it off and everything.
And then we take a straight blade.
Oh, that's smart. I
And
guess my
scrape it off.
finger's not that straight.
One thing to remember with this is see how this part of the cat or flask has ridges. You don't want to use this one first. You want to use this as your second for your top, because if not, you can't scrape that clean.
Yeah, good point.
You can put a little bit in here. That's just going to help protect the metal a little bit.
Mm.
It's not that big a deal. All right, now got that done. Take your coin, put it in the, not too far down, but not too far up. About the middle or just above the middle.
Doesn't matter if it's
Whichever
face
side
down.
you want to do, face down, it don't matter.
What usually turns out better?
Yeah, I don't know yet.
Okay.
It's a good question.
All right. Let's like that or to push it.
I would go a little higher because you got to remember your metal's got to come down.
I thought you said middle.
Middle, high. All right, right
Is that what
there.
you said?
Push that in. Don't let it move. Push it in, push it in, push it in. Push it in, push it in, push it in.
I can't push it in anymore.
All right, now what I like to do
Push it in.
is take something like this, hold it,
Yeah.
and tap it.
Ah.
Now, we don't want sand in this side
Why not?
because we want to dust it. And if you can get it flush, awesome.
Ah, okay.
So if you get it either flush or about flush, that's good.
Why didn't you dust the other
Now
side?
we'll take our baby powder.
Why didn't you dust the other side?
You usually don't have to.
Okay.
I mean, you can, yes.
Will it make a difference?
I don't know.
Well, then why didn't we?
Because I don't think it'll make a difference.
Oh, I think it will.
Anyways, you want to put the powder in there, but you really want to wipe it off. So like having a brush would probably be best, but I don't have a brush. So whatever. We're just doing this for fun.
Okay. How do you keep it from moving? Because it's just tapped in there pretty well.
Line these up.
There's like sand in one of those holes. Does that matter?
Oh, that was the problem.
Okay.
All right, now we got that. Now you want to take your sand, and a lot of people put it through a mesh screen, or just sprinkle it lightly on there.
Oh.
And this is so we don't get clumps right now. So I just want to fill it up with loose sand.
When do you pack it?
Right now.
Oh.
And then you start pushing it down easy. You don't want to push it down. You don't want to move your coin in there. You start pushing it a little harder.
That's what she said.
Kind of packing it down.
Oh, is that metal?
I don't know what that was you put in there. And I have learned, don't worry about the sand. If you try to save the sand or use as little sand as possible, it usually just makes things worse.
This is fun. It's like a cloud sand or whatever.
Yeah.
That
Now you're going to take your hammer. And what I do is go tapping down, around. And just tap it, or you can tap it this way as well. Get it nice and packed in there. You can even use the bottom of it if you want.
This?
Yeah. Well, you'd hold on to it a little better than that, but yeah.
Whatever.
It's however you want to go. And now to test it, see if it's really even packed.
It doesn't look like it.
No, it's not bad.
Oh.
But especially around wherever your piece is under there, we want to make sure it gets in all the nooks and crannies. That's why I don't know if it's better to put the more detailed part up top, because I get better packing like this. Alright, now we'll finish leveling it out. Take the scraper and scrape that off.
Like this?
However you want. You can kind of saw it back and forth or whatever if you want. It helps.
Yeah.
There you go. Alright. Looks beautiful.
Yay!
Now I'll push this off. Move all this stuff off, the sand off.
Okay.
Alright, now here's one of the parts you gotta be a little bit easier.
Lifting it up?
Yeah, you wanna lift it. And
Whoop.
lift it up and flip it over. No, just lift the top up.
This way?
Yeah, you're splitting it in half now.
What?
Okay, I'll show you.
Okay, no, I don't know what you're
So like you do this.
Yeah?
And you just separate the two.
Oh.
And there's your design on there. There's your design on there. I had a little doodad pick. I lost it.
Oh.
It's not a big deal.
I don't want it to mess up though.
It'll be fine.
Use the other end.
Pull that off. And
Don't touch it.
now, well, no, this is where you have to dig the channel out.
Oh.
This is where your aluminum's going to flow. And surprisingly, I've had it work with very, very small.
Use anything? I don't know. I feel like I'm doing it wrong.
And the hard part is, though, these got to be in the same spot.
Oh, well.
Well, I mean, because you got to think you're doing a tunnel.
Are you putting it together?
Yeah, it's going to go back together.
Oh.
That's why, I mean, it's about. I do a lot of abouts.
Great. I like about.
Like, let's see what happens. All right. There's our two halves. See there? See that little spot in the middle? We don't want that. All right.
I wish you could put powder on that one.
No, why?
So you can see it better.
And powder you don't need now.
Oh.
You can put powder on that one. Let it go back together. Set it up.
Ooh. Ooh.
Get the C-clamp out. And usually I use two of these, but I can only find one right now. Alright, and And then we melt the metal and pour. See the pour spout?
No.
It's facing towards the furnace.
Oh, this is hot. Oh.
You gotta hurry.
Oh, well, you did. I can only go as fast as you get the gloves on. All right, you said open these up.
Yep.
Here.
Do it around the sides, best you can. All right, there you go. Close them.
Okay.
Pick it up and pour it.
Oh gosh.
It's okay if you fuck it up. It's not big deal. Nice and slow.
Oh, I'm sweating. This is making me so nervous. I don't think I can do this. Pour already.
Good. You done?
Is that it?
Yeah, pour the rest of it in the little thing there. There you go. Done. Setting it down. Set that down.
Okay. What time are you leaving?
What you're gonna do is you're gonna lay it down, take it
Why is
apart.
there water up here?
I'll just put a drop.
Okay, lay it up.
Yep.
Lay it down. Remove.
You're not gonna hurt anything at this point. You just don't want to burn yourself. You're not gonna hurt anything.
Scary. Lay it down. Scoot it over. Remove.
Jiggle it a little if you need to. All right. Hey, look at that.
Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Ah, ooh. Okay, so take something metal.
Mm-hmm.
And it's okay to hit the sand now?
It should be solid.
Okay.
All right, now
what?
let's put it in the water real quick.
Woo!
All right, stir it around.
Uh,
There you go. All right, you can grab the coin. Don't grab the top. Take your gloves off.
take my gloves off.
Take your gloves off.
I don't want to take my gloves off. Seems hot.
There you go. I'll show the camera, and you can look at it too, of course.
Here's one side.
Camera.
Oh, sorry. I don't know where it is. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then, ooh, that's a good side.
Mm-hmm. And then we just need to polish it up still.
Yeah.
Now grab the coin and grab the other one and wiggle it a little, and it'll snap right off.
Grab the coin in this.
Yep.
And just
You should
wiggle
really
it.
Just wiggle it. Yep.
Hey.
Now put that back in the water. That's still hot. Try not to get the gloves wet. Yep. There you go.
Ta-da! Is it hot?
Nope. You can take the gloves off.
Okay.
Get some good pictures of it.
Here, I need to hold it so with me. So like. And then you got.
Oh, you can make two of those and make earrings.
Oh my gosh!
Those would be cool, like Viking earrings, wouldn't they?
Oh my gosh! Yeah. You could make buttons.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I thought about making buttons for like a cape or a cloak.
Or brooch.
Yeah.
A lady's brooch. Or,
Yeah, there's a lot of it. All right, say bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.